Good afternoon, students. How are you doing today?
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, sir. What's the best? Did you receive my email, Tiana Edwards?
When you sent that email, Tiana?
Tuesday night, between 7 to 9.
Um, I don't want to ask you what it was. And let me go back and look at it, please. I'll go back and look at it.
Sir, Alyssa here. I also sent you an email on Tuesday.
Who is this?
Alyssa update.
I know I saw something. Answer me yes or no. Is it regarding the override?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I saw them, but I couldn't respond to them yet because there was something that I needed to do first. So I saw them. Give me a minute,
Okay.
please, to be sorted out today.
Okay, no problem.
Yeah, man. So that's you, Alisa, and the person that spoke earlier. I remember her name.
Tiana, sorry.
Tiana, right? Tiana Edwards, right? Um. Okay, give me a minute. All right, guys. Trusting that you are well. There is quite a bit for us to do. Did you receive the solutions to the questions from last Tuesday?
Yes, sir.
Is anyone hearing me?
Sir, good evening. Sorry. For the override, I have to email you personally because I request it on Canvas, but I don't get any response.
Is there anyone hearing me? Oh dear.
Sir?
Yes, sir.
Is there anyone hearing me?
Just hearing you now, sir. So if you were talking before, we weren't.
Um, can anyone hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So no answer me.
Sir, what answer?
We just hear you, sir.
Sir, so you not hear we?
Clearly. I mean, like, come in out here, you know. Come and get miserable, man. Come here and say, oh, my students have not talked to me tonight.
Sir, the 2 times you answer, you asked before now, what answer?
No answer?
Yes.
I should blame the internet. All right. So I was asking if you guys received the solutions to the question.
Yes.
Good.
Yes,
All right.
sir.
I'm happy that you did. Question now. Were you able to follow what it is that I was doing?
Yes, sir.
All right. Other question. Is there anyone in the class? And before you answer that one, is it anytime you teach? Anyone who don't know what me are going with? I'm gonna ask class. If you don't understand and you don't say nothing, it is not nice. You pay the money. This is your responsibility to say, sir, no, I'm not following you. Please don't leave the class with questions unanswered. So I'm going to ask a question now. Is there anyone in the class that even after I try to explain down to grassroots that you're still not understanding? Raise your hand for me, please.
Good evening, sir.
Hello.
It's my first class.
Okay.
So Latisha, I still not understand so fully, you know.
No problem. Thanks for your
Sir?
honesty. Yes, please.
There was one that I wasn't completely with the solution that you said.
Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Hello. Felicia, go ahead, love. Okay, sorry. Somebody was saying something?
Yes, sir. Cherie, sir. I don't
Mhm.
fully understand as well.
Thanks for your honesty. He says that Glenroy, anybody who just joined the class has to pay a late fine. Did they tell you?
I don't hear, sir.
Anyone who is just joining the class has to pay a late fine. Did they tell you?
A late fine?
Yeah.
Or, well, he have paid already.
No. Because the person who is supposed to pay to don't receive it, so you can't pay nothing. They shouldn't feed that. It's
Then
supposed to be a
somebody
plate.
scam.
It's supposed to
Then
be a
some.
plate of curried lobster.
Then somebody scam me because somebody collect pay already.
You know, so that sound like Letitia. Sound like Letitia. All right, let's go. All right, Felicia, go ahead, please.
I was raising my hand prior to the question.
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
For me, it's not that I don't understand, but sometimes I get the questions mixed up. Like I'll be doing it, like for example, number 7. I was doing it and I did get the answer at the last part, but our working out was different. So sometimes I have issues with that.
And that's fine. Thanks for your honesty. All right, so students, when I'm getting these comments, it tells me exactly where I'm supposed to start. And incidentally, I'm finishing off indices today so that I can start the unit 2 on logarithms. So continue. Let me hear them continue coming, please. Anybody else?
Sir, I have a question.
Go ahead, please. Go ahead.
Number 5, sir. I noticed that in your solution, you use 2 to the 6. So I wanted to know, I use 8 to the 2nd power. We should have amount to the same 64, right? And it worked out to the same thing, except that I have an 8 instead of a 2 that you have. Would that solution be a correct answer? If I use a different number to break down that whole number there, that's 64.
I want you to tell me a little bit more, Diana, because you said that you have.
Right. Instead of you use 2 to the 6th power, right? But I use 8 to the 2nd. So instead of 2 to the 6, I have 8 to the 2nd.
What's my next step, Diana?
Minus 1/3.
No, look at the screen and tell me what is my next step.
Right. So you are going to multiply.
No, this is me. I am right here. So don't say you are going to. This is going to be you. This is DS, Dan Spence. Powell, sorry, VP. Why am I calling you Spence?
Because they have DSP there.
DSP, right. Deputy Superintendent of Police. Whoa.
I should have been, but fate had other plans.
You're in the right. You're coming to school. No, not to internal police. Come, let's go. So tell me what's the next step, Diana.
For you or for mine?
No, but me done my question already now. You are telling me something.
Right.
So tell me your thing.
So, sir, now I multiply the indices.
Excellent. And tell me what you get.
And I get 8 to -2 over 3.
Okay. You can't do them something there now. So when they say 2, you can't take a breath, you have to say -2 over 3 because me ready for load you up now, Diana. Come on, you're doing very well.
Right. So I continue now. After multiplying my indices, I get 8 to, I get that part. But then, sir, let me see what me I guess I know. So, why am I? Sir, me do something wrong, yeah, so.
Well, I'm happy that you told yourself because I was going to tell you.
Yeah.
But guess what now, though? Guess what now, Dan? I am proud of you now because if you have that step there, I don't give them a mark because you recognize the law that says a to the m raised to the nth power is equal to a to the m times n.
Right,
So
sir. I saw that
good.
one.
But so there's another step though that you have to take down. Now look at it and tell me. Can anybody, you want help? Ask somebody in the class to help you.
Sir, I would
Very
have to
nice.
break down that negative to a positive. It would be
No. Something else going to break down first.
Something, sir, I'm not hearing. I don't know if anybody else is hearing.
Okay. Anybody having any difficulty hearing me?
No, sir, loud and clear.
Okay. What's that? Shanika, that was you a while ago, so that you can't hear me? Who couldn't hear me a while ago? Talk to me now.
Sir, I'm hearing
Okay, because yeah, man, you want to hear me, man. All right, because me and Diana, you know, want to go tug of war, right? Just say no, and Diana, now go get out of it, you know. Come, Didi, talk to teacher now. So this is 8 raised to the 2 over 3. What next?
Sir, the next
So
law
is it the
is 8 to a,
reciprocation?
sir, when you multiply when you have a negative indices, don't you put the whole number and then reciprocate for it to become a positive, like the negative.
Okay. Oh, all right, so tell me what you want me to do then.
Sir, so my next step would be 8. Well, 8 and 1 over 2 over 3 or something like that.
Would that be it though? Look back at the law. So what you just explained to me was correct, but how you verbalize it, what you described to me was correct. But in the last part, what they told me to write now is not correct.
Would that be 2 times 3? Because
what is 2 times 3, Dana?
6.
Okay, so how that come in?
Sir, I was just looking at reciprocating. So that 3 down there, because it's being divided, it would be a multiplication now because of whatever. Sir, I blundered and I take my
No, man, that's fine. Because the question can be worked from this. Put it this way. You want to go to Ocherios, and you say, on the mark, get set, go. And when you head out, you recognize the blow, whoa. You reach Mandela. And you say, blow, whoa. I left my wallet on the desk a yard. But yard at Portland, and it reached all the way to Mandela already. So, where you going to do? You can go toll, or you have to go to the old road.
Go to the old road. Go to
But if me tell the toll, we're going to reach first.
You first.
But no, when you take the old road, you don't still going to reach?
Yeah, but late.
Yeah, man. So, come. So we're going to take the old road, you know. What can anybody help Dana? What would be her next step, or should be her next step?
Sir. She could carry it down some more.
Oh.
Well,
reduce the fraction.
The 8.
Oh.
Oh, should I do it?
So I can find the square.
The LCM.
No, hold on. Make Glenn finish him thought. Go again, Glenn. Oh.
No, what I was saying,
So you're going to use the negative law to assist her?
I'm coming. Hold on. He's trying to finish that thought. That soon comes to you. Go ahead, Glenn. So I know you weren't here, Glenn. I know you weren't here, but to start off with something that I'm interested to hear you finish off.
Because 2 times 2 are 4, 2 times 4 are 8, right? So I can see. You can have 2 times
4 to the third power. That's all? No, 4 to the second power.
2 to the 2 to the 3 power.
All right, press pause, Glenroy.
Yeah.
Only not feel bad. Today's
2 to the
Glenroy's
4th
first day.
power.
Today's Glenroy's first day. And look how long I ask a question and I make Glenroy figure it out before, you know.
Sir, such is life.
You are here to learn.
Like, okay. Cute. Thanks here, Glenroy. You still
Okay,
over
sir.
the cord, you still over the cord laps and all. I think say you got a friend you up. So 8 is the same thing as 2 to the third.
Okay.
8 is the same thing as 2 to the third.
Yikes.
Sir, it could be 2 to the 4th.
Come work with me. 2 times 2 is?
4.
Times 2
times
is?
2 is 8.
Times another 2, give me what?
16.
All right. So it's going to be 2 to the?
Third.
2 to the third power.
Right. So you're going to use the law now that says multiply when a index is raised by another. When an index is raised by another index, you multiply the indices, something like so.
Yeah, so let me get.
2 to the negative 6.
Say what?
That's all? 3 times negative 2.
Sir, so we now reciprocate the negative,
Sir.
the negative.
Sir.
We're not registrating a Felicia.
Boy.
Sir.
Yes, please.
2 and 6 over 3.
Not fully correct. 2 and what?
6 over 3, they call it power.
Yeah, but you're not fully right. What's the fraction
Oh,
of
the
here?
negative. The negative
negative 2 over 3.
No.
Is it negative 6?
And what?
Over 3.
Over 3.
Very good. And I recognize that I have the same thing right here. So Diana, I see that is what I was talking to you about. We're going to Otrius. We end up at Jerk Center right there. So you see that? Me start eating my food, you know, reach it.
Sir, me like this. Me like that it can work 2 ways.
Very nice.
And you still get the same.
Yeah, man. Come, finish stuff for me now.
Right.
What's
so you
it?
cancel out the 3 and the 6. 3 into 3
Mhm.
1 time, 3 into 6 2 time, and then you get the 2 to the minus 2 as the answer.
Yeah, no. Felicia, your turn now. Come in now, mom.
Come in, girl.
Yeah, break it down further. So
You
it's
tell me, like, I must about 3 times you tell me the answer. Are you your turn now?
exactly. You're gonna reciprocate and turn it into a
Right. Felicia, I'm gonna call him Miss Reciprocate. You about 3 times you tell me that. I mean, never reach a state, you know.
You're gonna put the 1 over the 2 square.
Very nice. Oh, go through, Felicia.
and that can be further. It can be also be a quarter.
Very nice.
Times 2 is 4. 1 over 4.
All right, press pause. Let me tell you what I got from this. I know Dan, I know the law that says a to the m raised to the nth power is equal to a to the mn. I know you also know the law about when you have an index, a base raised to a negative power, you can reciprocate it.
Yeah.
But all I can tell you now, Felicia also know the law there. A million times Felicia tell me, sir, reciprocate, sir. Reciprocate it.
I know more, one of others too.
You don't know no more. Now come to class, go to, but you know others too. Because you can't appear stuck here play. Reciprocate it, sir. We don't reach there so yet.
All right, sir. All right. Make a go on again. Let us see who first we got.
Blow. Start. All right. But that's very good though, guys. So you've just seen that somebody may not recognize that x to 4 can be written in 2 to the 6th power. So you may want to do it like Diana and say 8 squares. But remember, you have to do the breakdown further, because you couldn't leave your answer as 8 to the negative 2/3. Because when you're doing your indices, it must be broken down in its simplest form. Fair enough?
Yes, sir.
All right, good job. All right, so thanks for allowing me to clarify that. Is there anybody else? TT, Oyster.
So me?
Mm.
Yeah, I understand that one.
That's one. So, are you suggesting that there's a one up there that you don't understand?
Sir, I wanted to go through 7 and 8.
Barry, are you okay? Kevin?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Alright.
All right. I'm going to press pause. Good night, Shannon.
Yes, sir.
No, it's Miss Connie now. I'm saying good night. Good night, Miss Connie now.
Good night, sir.
Keep it.
Great job. Sir, wait, then I have a question. Because you lost me, right? 2 to the negative 6/3. You're right. You lost me right there. So after you get that, oh, you reach the 2
To the negative 2?
raised to the negative
See
2.
there, just do it. So you're gonna cancel out 6/3.
To the negative 2. You know, come after the When I hear me?
I hear you now, you were breaking up.
Oh my goodness.
You know why your internet is unstable?
No, sir.
No, tell me, no. You know where I'm going. So just tell me where I'm going. Tell me why the internet is unstable, Shannon.
I don't know.
You don't know?
No.
Because it didn't say good afternoon. I'm good for you.
Sir, I did try to talk to you, but you never did hear me.
It's all right, Shan. A long time I beg you to tell me good night, and that force you alone.
Sir, come on. You know I love you. Don't worry.
Whatever. All right,
All right,
but
let's
what
see how
I
to
did.
get it now.
Yeah, man. So 3 into 6 goes 2 times.
Mm-hmm.
All right, good. And that's it. I'm just have 2 to
Thank you very
negative.
much.
Very no problem. Ayana,
Yes, sir.
are you following?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So let me see now. Fisher, Jody. Oh, you stay. Jody must stay no way. Kevin. Katie. I see some people just log on to my class and then go about them business, you know. Winnie, talk to teacher. How you stay, Winnie?
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, my love.
I haven't yet tried the questions, sir.
You eating already?
I'm still at work into a little area that I get a little Wi-Fi. I'm not at home.
You did not going to taste so nice tonight. Because you never do my homework. All right, come, let's go. Cherise, how you staying? Morgan, that is?
Sir. You know, my evening, everybody. You know, my issue. I'm trying to get my head wrapped around this math thing.
Come on
Too
from a
much
phone.
not drink. Please, with me, sir.
All right, then, no problem. Lindsay, I saw you on mute. Talk to me, Lindsay. How you stay?
Understand this example better than the first one that you did.
Okay, got you. All right. So students, what I've just done, Bailey, I know you're all right, you know, but let me ask you, Bailey. You all right, Shanshan?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man, I know you're all right, man. All right, so I'm going through the list and I'm asking questions because there are some of you, if I don't call upon one, you do not talk to me. You know? If I call upon one, you do not talk to me. Audrey, I need to talk to you afterwards here. Who's this now? All right, so let's continue. Oh, I should tell you, incidentally, the grades are finished now. I was hoping that I would have been able to send it out before 4 o'clock so that it could have been updated today. Nonetheless, the department now has a copy of the grade sheet. So by tomorrow morning, you will be able to see it. I was able to do some mathematical gymnastics. You will see on the grade sheet that a few of you still receive a D+, but there is nothing that I can do because the exam grade was so low and because it did so well on the mid-semester, I mean, on the coursework pieces, and 90 enough on the coursework pieces, but the exam grade was very low. Even if you had gotten 100% on the exam, some of you still would not have been able to recover. So those of you with those types of D+, I'm going to ask that you try and do the resit of the Foundation 3 at the end of the semester. So at least the information stays current in your headspace. So as soon as the grades are released, I know who's supposed to be here from who not supposed to be here. As soon as the grades are released, just do the honorable thing for me, please. And it's not a goodbye, it's just see you later. See you next semester. Right? But you can stay tonight. I want you to stay tonight so you can see what is happening. Okay. Let's go. How was it? How was number 6? Number 6 was okay?
Yes, sir. That was pretty straightforward.
Right. Let me just highlight something. Let me highlight something for you. What is important for me to highlight is you don't say nothing yet. What I want to highlight for you is the fact that when you raise a number, a fraction, when you have a fractional term, like in this case, you have the 25/9, and it's been raised to -3/2. What you're actually doing is raising both the numerator and the denominator to -3/2. But that will only go to the numbers when I remove the parentheses. Can you follow this line for me, please? Can you follow me here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So when I remove the parentheses is telling me I'm using the denominator and the numerator alike. But I'd have to remove the parentheses to show you that. And then you recognize that this form now, the numerator will work out like how number 5 work out, don't it?
Yes, sir.
And so is the denominator. Now, you also recognize that the base for the numerator is different from the base for the denominator, don't it?
Yes, sir.
So it's going to be 5 square, 3 squares.
Yep.
All of that works out. Just a little trick here. Anybody can figure out this trick right here? You notice I had 5 to the -3 over 3 to the -3, and then after that, now I end up with boom, 3 over 5. Talk
You
to
just
teacher.
regroup it. You just regroup it, sir, and put it back
Okay.
into the
All right.
parentheses, which indicates that it's basically, as I mentioned above, when you take it out of the parentheses, you're gonna have 3 raised to the third, 3 raised to the power of 3, and then you're gonna have over 5 raised to the power of 3.
All right.
Outside of the parentheses.
Very reciprocated because it is a negative.
That is true too.
I was about to open my mic and say that.
Mr.
And the
Felicia,
recall is right there.
Mr. Felicia, you believe Felicia while over there now?
Yes, sir.
Mr.
Sir, I
Felicia,
was saying it to myself, but
Mr.
she was talking. Me, I
Mr.
tell you,
Felicia
sir,
didn't.
I'm a big
Felicia
friend of
didn't.
you.
No, got taste good tonight. Felicia, you didn't. No, got taste good tonight. Very good, Felicia. Don't follow teacher. Very good, Felicia.
Okay.
So, Dalia, your step, Dalia, will come after Diana and Felicia's step. So Diana and Felicia is going to reciprocate her, and then the regrouping comes after. All right, good. So I'm finished with that. I'm not going over that anymore. Glenn, I hope that you're following, Papa. Some questions were sent in some past papers rather were sent in the group. There is a WhatsApp group, Glenn. Your teacher not in the WhatsApp group, but it's one for you guys. I'm gonna ask the admin again just to share the link in the chat so that we can, so you can join, please. In case of any information, I may be able to touch base with a student and ask that the information be copied and placed in the WhatsApp group. Exactly. Or something else. And it is important for you, Glenn, to get the information. When you're in the WhatsApp group, you can just ask your colleagues to give you the information as to what was done last week. Last week? Yeah, last week. All right, I must move. Yeah, this is 6 o'clock almost. I must now go through with you some logarithms. Now, anytime you hear about indices, also think about some logarithms here. The marriage. You can't find the indices without the logarithms. And you can't find the logarithms without the indices. Because sometimes we're doing some questions, you see? And when you start the questions and you go through, you find yourself into a bind. You can't go nowhere. And then you have to go convert now from the index form to the logarithmic form. And that's what is going to save you. So you have to know the difference between indices and logarithms and know how one supports the other. You cannot say to me, sir, I understand indices, but I don't like logarithms, or vice versa. It don't work. So let's go. So logarithm is another word for an index or power. You believe me now?
Yes, sir.
All right. So logarithm is another word for index or power. For example, the very example we just did it. 2 to the third power is equals to 8. Watch this story. You all know this. 2 to the third power equals 8 because we just did it. We just did it. So let us see how we'll go about reading this. I can say to you that 3 is the power to which base 2 must be raised to give 8. Does that line make sense?
Yes, sir.
3 is the power. Look on it. The something them up on top of there, so we call them power, index, or exponent.
And no
And the one
logarithm.
down there, so is the base. So 3 is the power to which base 2 must be raised to obtain 8. Watch the story now. 3 is the logarithm. Uh-oh. Sir, really? A logarithm is another word for an index or power. Oh. So logarithm is another word for index. So instead of me say index, we can say logarithm. Talk truth.
Yes, sir.
Or instead of me say logarithm, we can say power, don't it?
Yes, sir.
All right. Somebody was coming in? Okay. So 3 is a logarithm, which with a base 2 gives 8. You know what is true? This is constant. Base 2, don't it?
Yes, sir.
The one is over the top one. 3 is power. Then 3 forgot logarithm, because a logarithm is another word for index or power. All right. I want you to be able to see what is happening. I'm going to do a little exercise with you. That will tell me how well you're following. Let me press pause. I had to have today conversations with a few students. Hear me out. Please do not allow pre-calculus to run away from you, even for one class. You are going to be lost. Because I build on my information. So if you miss the foundation, the upper floors are going to be rocky. So please, when you come to class, not come to class and listen, but you scroll on TikTok or you over on the ground. You're going to have problems. You're going to have problems. Please, I beg of you. With that said, let's go back. So in logarithmic form, I can say 3 is equal to log to the base 2 of 8. Log to the base 2 of 8 is equal to 3. Log to the base 2 of 8 is equal to 3. See there? Log to the base 2 of 8 is equal to 3. Everybody can see that?
Yes, sir.
All right. What about the rest of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Good job. Good job. Let us look at 3 examples. 3 squares equal 9. Can you write that in logarithmic form for me, please?
log 3, 9. No.
2 equals log 3, 9.
That's it?
Sir, it should be log 3, 9. Your 3 is too high, I think.
Yeah, that's what Diana said. 2 is equal to log 3, 9. So that wrote it 2 is equal to log 3, 9. That's what she said.
No, it's log to the base 3 of 9 equals
Thank you,
2.
OJ. Did you hear when I said I want to talk to you today?
Yes.
OJ?
Me, sir.
No, your name OJ. You remember when I come say I want to talk to you?
Oh, no, I didn't hear, but no, I hear.
Yeah, man. So we need to talk after. So Diana, I need to tell OJ thank you.
Thank you, OJ, for the correction.
For the correction, yeah.
Right.
See, you know, you notice inside right here, so I have the word base.
Yes,
it's
sir.
all about the base.
So we can't leave out the word base.
Yeah, leave out the word base. So 2 is equal to log to the base 3 of 9. 2 is equal to log to the base 3 of 9. All right. And the only reason I'm gonna call upon you is because I said that you're not my friend anymore. By hearing. It's by hearing. You load me up today and say, I'm not your friend anymore. Come, unmute for me. Yeah, man. Come here, Shannon. Come talk to your friend here. Unmute for me, Shan.
Hold on, sir. Wait a second. May I try to figure out that one here, the top one?
Shannon, you must pay attention.
Let me tell you somebody that drive, I just reach home. I just take up my pencil and my book now, ready for go understand the log something here.
All right. So we had a conversation earlier. 3 squares equal 9. 3 squares equal 9. And we're moving the 3 squares equal 9 into a logarithmic form. So this is the index form, and we're converting from the index form to the logarithmic form.
XYZ, right? No. My thing is this. Then she go back and she said again that
So we're moving from the index form to the logarithmic form. So the index form is going to be 3 squares equals 9. The logarithmic form is going to be log to the base 3 of 9 is equal to 2. Very important exercise that we need to know. So Shannon, tell me, 5 squares equals 25. How do I say that from the index form to the logarithmic form? And it's only one Shannon I have. And you can tell me if she's correct. Go, Shannon. Shannon? Is anybody hearing me? Is my internet out?
I'm hearing you, sir.
Okay.
Shannon, the first one was done for you, so you can use it as an example.
Is she talking or I know our internet was out? Shan, are you talking? No, she mute. What weird? Shannon not going good.
Sir, hold on, sir. Hold on. Hold on.
The rest of you, can you try it for me, please, so that when Shannon says it, yes, Papa.
It is
Don't tell me the answer yet. Don't tell me the answer yet.
Oh.
Hold it.
Sir, can you please repeat it?
We're looking at this one. 5 squares equals 25. Don't tell her the answer yet. We want Shannon to get a chance to do it. Write it down in your books, and then we'll decide when she tells us the answer if she's right or wrong. Today though, Shannon. Tum 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 tum. Tum 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 tum. Tum 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 tum. Come, Shannon, what's the answer?
Sir, you know, say you doing that, yeah, trigger my brain. Oh, yeah, trigger my brain, sir. Let me try understand it now.
No, what do you think? No, Shannon, you take too long, man. All right, guess what, Shannon?
It's
All
the
right,
same
no.
concept, Shannon, as the one above it.
That's what I'm saying.
It's the
Look at the one
exact
above.
same concept as the one before. Like literally the exact same concept. It's just the numbers that are different.
So Shannon,
Yeah.
you identify the index, right? In the index
All
question.
right. So well, so it's the first one. So 3 squares equal 9, right?
Right. So
Yeah.
the index there is 2, right?
The index of the power.
Right. It's the same thing. Index is the same thing as power, and it's the same thing as logarithm. It's 3 in 1. It's the same meaning. Right? So always remember that. The index is also called logarithm or power. So you start with that when you're writing it in logarithm form. So you start with the index or the power or the logarithm. And then you put the 3 as the base, which is the base here, below the log. So you put the index first, which is 2, is equal to log 3 as the base. You see that? Of 9. So you do the same thing now with this one. So you look for the index first. Then
So
you
if I said 2
equals log. And if the base would now be 5, right? So you would put log base 5 to 25.
So you said 2,
which is the index, right? Or the logarithm or the power. So always start with the 2. Always start with the index on the outside. And then you find the base. And the base is 5 here, right? So you put 2 equals log and 5 as the base. And then 25 beside it. You get that?
Okay, yeah.
You understand it now?
Oh, so it's just to rewrite it then.
Right, but you're going to start with the logarithm, which is also called, always remember that logarithm is also called power or index. So you look for the index and you start with the index. Then you look for the base and you put it below as the base, log, base, whatever base it is.
Equal whatever the answer is over here.
Right.
The figure.
So whatever number beside the base.
The same way, sir, switch the 2. Well, we put the 2 now as the base and the 3. So I'm say log 3 equal to 9. Okay. I think you understand. Thank you very much. I would have did that with me. Thank you, Diana.
Sure, no problem. Are you sure you understand? But always remember that index is also called logarithm or power. So
index also called logarithm
or power. And you start with that when you're rewriting it in logarithm form. You start with the power or the index or the log, whichever one you want to call it. And then you look for the base of it. Then you write log and then you put the base below log.
Okay.
And then you write the next number that comes, which is the 9 or the 25 or whatever else is on the outside.
You know what did that confuse me? Lord Jesus. I never did I realize that sir actually I rewrite it. I thought sir is looking for an answer. So I try work out.
So he's showing you the example. One is in index form and one is in logarithmic form.
Okay, I get it. Thank you very much, honey.
Not a problem.
All right, so tell me the answer now, Shannon.
Sir, 2 equal log 5 equal 25.
Not equal. So it's log to the
Not
base 5.
equal.
So, all right, so 2.
Of 25.
Oh, so 1 equals so 2 log 5, 25.
Log to the base. Don't forget to say base 5.
Oh, Lord Jesus.
So
So
it's 2
2
equal
equal log
base
base 5,
of
25.
25.
All
Right.
right, so I'm gonna remove
Very
that
good.
equal sign.
Because
Thank you very
it's
much.
when you write it like when you say 2 equal log 5, 25, I'm gonna write it that way you say it. And if you write it like that and give to me, you're gonna get it wrong. So very good. Thank you, Dino. I really, to say what came in because I really want the rest of you to listen to what is happening. This is how we'll learn from each other. Now, let me just, it didn't happen just, Miss Bagiri, so that's what me call to you, I don't answer me. Make sure, say, if you call to me and I don't respond to you, don't get vexed, because I called you and you did not respond to me. No, this is what I want to happen in class, guys. That, just like the exchange that we had just now, you see how respectful both parties were? Yes. And I don't have a problem stepping back and allowing people to assist each other. Very nice. And as a matter of fact, you all are in a WhatsApp group. If you are so having a challenge, unmute. I mean, link up with your friends in the WhatsApp and talk about the stuff because people are following. So that's very good. I'm liking that. Who think that they understand what is happening here? First person to respond. I have a gift for you. Alicia, you said you. Alicia, Miss Pitt, I heard you. You said me.
Sir, I didn't say me.
Well, no, sir, said there's a gift for the person who don't understand. We don't understand, sir.
No, I never said that. I said there's a gift for the person who understands.
Oh,
Sir, what you can repeat the question, please?
No, I don't get the question yet. I said that there's a gift for the first person to tell me that they're understanding.
I understand, sir. We can get the gift now.
All right, good.
I'm understanding, sir. You said understanding.
Right. So here is a gift. This question.
Yes, you can take it, Alicia. And you say understand or Diana.
Good night, sir. Good night. Good night.
1/5 raised to the negative second power equals 25. And I guarantee that nobody in the class can get that one right. I'm
Sorry,
getting the 3 minutes. You can't see it?
We can see it. Me ask if we can try.
Oh, yeah, man. Yeah. Fell. Come on, you didn't taste nice tonight, Phil.
Alright, so -2 equal log base half, what you call this? 1/5, 25.
Of 25.
Of 25, yeah.
Show off.
Eh?
Show off.
Sir, that me that too.
Oh.
But go through the tells. You get it right. Log to the base.
You get the
1/25. Is that correct?
No, the 2 must be in front of the log. And it should be a -2.
-2 equals
Log to the base 1/5 of 25 equals 2.
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Sir, shouldn't it be -2?
I just put that there to see if you're paying attention.
Oh, sir, but then you have to write it as the 1/5 and not just 5.
Where's it right here? Where's it right here, so?
Sir, you have it on the wrong side.
So we don't break it down. We don't break it down.
Hold on.
In the index, normally
when you're doing the indices version, you have to break it down and then what you answer, you convert it to logarithm. So you go, sir.
Yeah, but hold on. Somebody said to me a while ago, said, sir, I have it on the wrong side. What is the right side? What is this sign known as? Tell me, what is the sign?
Equal sign.
An equal sign?
Yes, sir.
Which way do you read the equal sign?
Eh?
Which way do you read the equal sign? From left to right?
Yes, sir.
Only?
It can be read both ways.
It can be read both ways. Left to right or right to left?
I was gonna say that it don't matter where the equal sign is.
It doesn't matter. I can read it from left to right. I can read it from right to left.
Well, that is new, sir.
Yeah,
That is
man.
new,
New
No,
knowledge.
but that's why
sir,
some
it
of,
means
if you
that
should
me
go
that
back,
think
you
it
know,
wrong.
but Felicia, if you should go back to the indices going back, that is the reason why some of us get confused with the different, what they call them again? The law.
Laws.
Because it don't come exactly as you would expect it to based on how the law is written based on where the equal sign is, and that is what confuses some of us.
So
Thank you for the new knowledge.
no problem. So what it is that we want to have happen next is for us to really pay attention to what is going on, because you're going to see things now that you have never seen in CXC math, because what we're doing here is higher than CXC math. CXC math no longer has indices and logarithms, you know. When I was doing CXC math, I had to do this in CXC math. So I learned this in CXC math. Now, where they have this topic is in additional math. So what we're doing really now is equivalent to what CXC is giving their students in additional math. So this is higher than your foundation 1, 2, 3, and this is higher than your CSET mathematics. So I want you to give a higher level of attention. Can't play with this.
All right, sir.
All right, let's go. So now, you did well on that, incidentally. You did well.
Lord have mercy.
You did well.
Thank you.
I'm going to ask you a question. Now, one of the things, again, in math, you will recognize that we don't always work with numbers. Many times we work with variables, letters. So I'm giving you this to do. A raised to the C power is equals to B. What form is this question in?
Index.
Very good. And now I'm going to ask you to write it in the logarithmic form for me. I want order to write it. I'm going to select somebody to tell me the answer.
Sir, A raised to the C equals what?
A raised to the C equals B.
Okay.
Right, so I want you all to do it. And then I'm going to call upon somebody to respond. And incidentally, I'm taking...
just a journey now, so no call me.
Oh, that a toughen this? Hey, look,
Yeah, but that's
you
true.
force never call. Guess what happened now? I'm also taking a mental note of those persons that I call and you don't respond to me, because I'm sure one day you will call me. I have one name down already.
Sir.
Yes, please.
Question. Yeah, I'm up a screen? Because I don't know if I might in it dark. Maybe I have to go jump off and come back. Oh, okay. I'm seeing it now. Okay. I have one answer, but go on. I'm not going to
All right. I'm going through my list. Who is the student? Referon. I see R-F-R-F-E-A. What we call referon? Is that a referon?
Sir, it's Roderick, sir.
Is who?
Roderick, sir.
Oh, is Roderick Ferron?
Yes, sir.
Are you part of this class?
Yes, sir. Unfortunately.
Unfortunately, I heard that. What is the answer?
Sir, what let me tell you what I get. I get C equal log A equal B.
All right, so let me write it as I say it. C equals log A B.
Yeah.
Is that correct, guys?
No, sir, it's wrong.
No, sir. Another that him say, sir. Him say
When
C
say?
equal log A equal B.
No, no equal, Dahlia. B.
But is he still correct?
But it's supposed to be
No,
the
sir. No,
No,
it's
sir, that
wrong.
is incorrect.
What am I supposed to say?
B
sir.
equal log to base A of B.
Yeah, the base. That may have, sir. That may have enough. Some right it, you know.
Yeah, but you have to say base. Log to
Thank you very
base
much.
A.
So
Thank you very
some
much.
right, sir. I never remember the base part, sir.
Always remember base.
Please to tell him for me, please. I
Practice
don't
to
want.
say the base.
I want the correct stuff. Refer on. All right.
Yeah, you refer on.
Yes, sir.
Roderick, I'm not going to be here because I don't give it for you. But anyhow, yes, sir. But remember, Roderick, you have to say log to the base A. Very important.
Yes, sir.
So once we get there, we'll finish that. That will be it, or it's a get more. I don't want to get more.
That is it. That is it. Who is this? Money Q?
Yes, sir.
Okay, yes, man. So I answer with a yes, sir, so now, yes, sir.
So wait, sir. So they will write the question and we must just convert it and that's it.
No.
Talk true.
Just believe
Never
that is
mind.
not alone. You're
Put
going
that
to
on it. That no,
Jesus.
no.
If it is higher than CXC and foundation 1, 2, and 3, you think say that alone they're gonna give up?
Felicia, that's what I like, you know, Felicia. You know, that's what I really like you. All right. All right, let's go. All right, I want all of you to look at something here now, please.
Sir, I'm gonna see a screen.
Yeah, I know. I paused it. So I want you to look at something now. I did this little thing about here for you, and I want you to go through it with me. Log to the base A of B equals C is the same thing as B equal A raised to the C power. And A to the C equals B is the same thing as log to the base A of B equals C. That is converting from my logarithmic form to my index form, and my index form to my logarithmic form. You must be able to move between the two seamlessly. You can't itch or else a car will stall. You can't drive standard and ready to change the gear and then install the car. Log to the base A of B equals C is going to be equals to B, which is equals to A to the C power, or A to the C equals B is the same thing as log to the base A of B equals C. So you need to be able to move from one to the other and back from the other to the nether.
To the nether. All right.
To the nether.
Rearranging.
Yes, ma'am. Any questions so far?
Just take a second to soak it up.
Sir, so the purple one, again, let me hear it some.
Log to the base A of B equals C is the same thing as same thing as B equal A raised to the C power. It's the point I'm trying to make with you all is let's just look at the purple one or the pink one, whichever color that is. Where is A? What position is A on the left-hand side?
Yes.
A is in the base on the left-hand side, don't?
Yes, sir.
What is the position of A on the right-hand side?
Base.
Okay. What is the position of A in orange on the left-hand side?
Base.
Base.
What's the position of A in orange on the right-hand side?
Base.
Base.
You recognize that the base position does not change?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What the function equals to is now going to be the power. Can you see that?
Say that again?
Let me write it. Log to the base A of B equals C. It's A C to the C power is equals to B. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
So in the reverse, so you could have A raised to the power of B equals C. No,
that would be a different thing.
Okay.
That would be a different thing. So order is very important. The order is very important. The base is always the base. It's all about the base, about the base, about the base. That will never change. The base position will never change. What the function equals is going to be the power. Any questions?
Okay,
sir.
we get you now, sir. We get you.
And like you
Right.
said, sir, it doesn't matter which side the equal sign is on. And that is the difference here. The equal
Right.
sign is on the opposite side.
It really doesn't matter. Do me a favor. I'm going to give you 5 minutes to convert the following from the index form to the logarithmic form for me. Don't be bothered about how ugly the questions look. Follow the rules and convert for me from the index form to the logarithmic form. It's now 23 past. I stop you at 28 minutes past.
Okay, sir.
Always stay.
Finish, sir.
Finish?
Finish.
Yes.
Okay, good
Yes,
job.
sir.
Anybody
Yes,
still
sir.
working? Anybody still working? Because I'm going to randomize it, and remember, I'm keeping a record of those people who are called and don't respond to me. It is going to come back to haunt you.
Sir, if I may call, I'm answer number one. I'm sure that one day.
Monique, and matter of fact, I'm getting called upon you, Monique, and it's not number one, I'm getting called upon for you.
At
I
least
want
my answer, you know, still.
Alex, unmute for me, please. Alex, unmute for me,
Sir,
please.
good evening, sir. I'm still at work, so I'm kind of in and out of class.
Oh, but I never get that message before, Alex.
Well, that's a truth.
Okay, all right.
Sorry about that. Sorry for the income.
Okay. Tiana, come talk to teacher. What's the answer for number one, Tiana?
So it would be 3 equal log to the base of 3 of 5 equals 125. I might not have it said properly, but it's 3 equal log 5 down at the bottom, 125.
If you tell me log 5 you didn't know what is good, I've said it like about 1,000,000 times in class. Right? Read it in properly and to what it is. 3 equals.
All right, 3 equal log to the base of 5 plus 125.
Okay, is she correct?
Sir, so like she said 5 2 times.
No, it's all right, man. I get what you're saying. So 3 equals log to the base 5 of 125. Yeah, man, she catch it. I get that. Very nice.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
So, sir, question
yes,
for you
please.
before you move on. So if I have log 5 of 125 equal 3, would I still be right?
No, ma'am.
So
Log to the
if you
base
know,
5.
sir, when you say, yeah, log to the base 5, log to the base 5 of 125 equal 3.
And that's correct. But earlier said, the first time he said log 5. I never said base.
Log to the base 5, log base 5. Yeah.
So, because remember, the equal sign can be read either way.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Good job. Good job. Good job. But who should I call? Who is next? Who is next? Aaron.
Good afternoon, sir. Me just a log on now, so me not do anything yet.
Okay. All right.
Sir, we can answer.
Go ahead, OJ. Who's that? Oh, Sergio. Go ahead,
Yes, sir.
Sergio.
2 equal log to the base 7 of 49.
That's not correct.
Answer
Mean by the
Sergio.
correct.
Answer Sergio. Tell him say yes, it's correct.
Correct, sir.
Correct, sir.
But
Sir,
Sergio, look.
yes, no.
Sergio, you have to sure, you know, Sergio. Tell him say yes,
Sergio, you
sir.
say it one more time.
No, but I'm dying out.
But
Trust
him
me.
no object. I'll know him no object.
I'll know him
Sir.
don't object. I'll know him don't object. And say, no, but you just say Sergio, you lose the bet because I
No,
said.
sir, come may I say what? So you say
No, but
oh,
Sergio,
never
you must say
mind.
to me, say, sir, I'm confident. Or you say, sir, what can go so? Right? So you must be confident, man. Remember, I said to you, there are times I'm going to say things that I know are not supposed to be just to see where you guys are because I'm not in front of you. So I have to find ways to make sure if you're fully understanding. So very good, Sergio. It's log to the base 7 of 49 is equals to 2. Or Diana will say 2 equals log to the base 7 of 49. Very nice. All right, let's go again now. Who is next? Who is next? Who is next? Who is next? I know who to call. I know who to call. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
Sir, card.
Morgan Stevenson. Cherise.
Sir, after my day, I say, sir, don't come in here, sir, don't come in here, sir, come in here.
That's why I'm here, you.
Jesus, Sylvia, sir, me not even know my work that one now. 5
Cherise.
equal log
Uh-huh.
base 121 and 1331. That me right?
No, ma, hold on. Say it one more time, Cherise.
5 log 121.
No, hold on. Which one you do, Cherise?
Which one you do?
And number 3.
So you get 5.
Where you get 5 from, Cherise?
Comment at the
So can I turn?
No, man. Hold on.
No, yes. Or 3 equal log 2 over 121. 1331.
I know something now.
No, Sherry Berry. No, baby, no.
No, I don't want nobody to tell Sherry Berry off to do something. You see, the Lord has a way of highlighting it, and I want you to get it tonight, Cherise. Come on.
Let me get the other 2. I stumble at this one.
You stumble at this one?
2. Yes.
All right, then. I want you to unstumble.
Yeah, talk truth.
Yeah, talk truth?
Yes.
I believe you. So guess what will happen? Okay, no, but guess what? And this is why this space is such a safe space. Nobody can laugh at anybody because nobody in here already passed pre-calculus, or else I just run them out. So it's going to be a learning environment. And God told me to call upon you because he knows he not fully follow that 1 year. So let's go. That's why I call upon you. Let's go. Follow the methodology you use for the first 2. We not have no 5 in there. No call, we not say. I'm giving you 1 more minute to write it. The rest of you, make sure that you have it, and then you can say to her whether or not she's right or wrong. And the rest of you, think about it because I'm coming to number 4. You don't know who I'm calling.
Sir.
Yes, please.
Then could you ignore me now?
I'm Tiffany, you know, say just come in. I expect you to go boil some tea and just...
Yeah, but this time I watch your people and do and say I can't, if me right or what. All right, let me go and watch. Is that right?
Yeah, man, go and work, man. We soon link.
Sir, in the meantime, for the override, I'm supposed to send you a personal email because I requested twice on Canvas and I don't get it.
No, man, it's not on Canvas. You're supposed to request the override, you know. You're supposed to go to Arion.
Arion, yeah, that's where I requested. And
Right,
I
but
can't see it on Canvas, so I figure that it's not approved.
right, but I had a conversation with Mrs. Hall Francis about 12 o'clock today. The pair of us were going through the overrides, and she says that all the overrides were done. So check to see, don't expect to get, well, you will get an email, but log on to Aaron and see if the override was given from the please, because it was done. Today we had a conversation just before my 12.
Later or tomorrow morning.
No, man, you can make a quick check now if you finish your question, you know, and let me know. Just make a quick check on area now. Just log on to your area. And then the rest of you, by the way, were you waiting at FCM3? No. No, you weren't waiting at FCM3. Who is this? Smith? That was you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you never did FCM3 with me summer, right?
No, because I have the C6. So
yeah, man, you're supposed to. Hold on. Did you receive an email from Mrs. Hall Francis today to say, we're not seeing your C6 on file?
I can check, but they didn't tell me that at
Okay, check your email. Check your email. Check your email, please. Because I know she was complaining about some students not doing that. But check your email for me and let me know. The rest of you, FCM3 students, as I said before, the assistant head of school actually has a copy of the grade sheet. What happened now? But I was doing some stuff up to this afternoon.
No, sir, I didn't get any email.
All right, then, no problem. You have my email address, right?
No.
It's Mark.
Sir, my override is still pending, sir.
Who was that a while ago? Is that person in my class? Smithy.
Yes, sir.
Do me a favor. Send me an email with a copy of the CXC result, please.
Okay.
And then with a copy of the CXC result, and then I can get it sorted out for you, quick and fast.
What is the email address?
Smart.shan.
Okay.
All right, it's in the chat. All right. So let's go. You get enough time now, you know. Come, tell me the answer, please.
0/2 equal log 1 log of base 121 1331.
121 1331. See, an equal sign in the one here.
So I'm gonna say the equal after the 3/2.
So you say, all right, go again and say it one more time for me.
3/2 log to the base 121 1331.
Okay, anybody did hear she say equal a while ago?
No, sir.
Yes, we said the equal, sir, but we said
You
fast,
say
so
it
we
in
said
your
the first
mind.
one.
You
No,
No,
said,
no,
baby.
no.
No,
We
you
said
you
never
said
say.
3/2 log.
She said
base.
3/2 log. You
We said
never
the
say.
equal and we whisper the equal.
You
You too
said
wicked.
you whisper it so you
Exactly.
whisper it so
Right,
You never
quietly
say.
book.
in your mind.
You
Yeah,
never say.
me no much savvy, you know. No stop pressure, me man.
Sir,
Sherry Berry,
sir,
1 minute, please.
Sir?
I'm coming to you. Sherry Berry,
Yes, sir.
you did say equal a while ago, Sherry Berry?
Yes, sir. See me like
When
come
you
and
say,
answer, sir.
yes.
Check out down low. Yeah.
Your face.
All right. All right, Sherry Berry. Okay, guys, listen up for me, please, because I didn't hear it. So we're going to listen together and see if Sherry Berry again say the same thing now. Come, Sherry, your turn again.
Must repeat again, sir.
Yes, if we're going to repeat it, miss. Yeah, man, one more time.
3/2 equal log to base 121 1331.
Me hear it now.
We have hear it 2 times.
No equal Sharif.
What?
No, man, she good.
She good now, man. She good now.
Good. She said
All right.
3/2 equal log to the base 121 of 1331.
Okay, very nice. All right, somebody was trying to come in earlier. Who was that? All right.
yes,
Now,
sir.
oh, go ahead, please.
I was just asking if saying 1331 makes a difference from saying 1331.
No, sir. The same thing. 1331, 1331. Same difference. Same difference. All right. Who should I call now? Who should I call?
Sir, I wrote mine different though.
How did you write it?
I wrote mine the other way around.
Log to the base 121.
Right.
Same
Of
difference.
1331
Yeah,
equal
man.
3/2.
That's
Same difference.
that's all right, mine to Diana.
Same
Yes.
difference.
So let Marvin just mark it out when she said that a while ago.
No, you don't have to mark it out. It's right either way. It's right.
Remember, what she's saying, just think of it as reading yours backwards.
Right.
As it's the same thing. So she just has the 3/2 first, then the equal
Right.
sign, and then write it. And you will have it the other way around. So just read it backwards. It's the same.
All right. Very nice. Abigail, how are you tonight?
Good night, sir. I'm following.
No, I didn't ask you that.
I'm tired. I'm very exhausted.
You're very exhausted. Never mind.
Very exhausted.
One way of releasing those exhaust fumes is for you to answer question number 4 for teacher.
Okay, sir. Log. I don't know what I say. Log to the base 9, 1/27 equal -3/2.
Bop, bop.
Exactly at all.
Sir, not put your hand yet. My head I will get tough. But just not yet.
No, it's all right. I like the sound of it so far. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Hey. Yes, please.
We don't reciprocate it and maybe just
No, there's
put
nothing
the
to
120.
reciprocate.
There's nothing to reciprocate here, sir. No, because remember, all we're doing now is just converting from the logarithm, from the index to the logarithmic. Yeah. So we're not going to reciprocate. We're not solving just yet. But if we were, yeah, we could. But what we're doing is just converting from one form to the next. From one form to the next. But good question though. I like it because it says to me that you're thinking. I like it because it says to me that you're thinking. All right.
Sir.
Go ahead, please.
So the 121, we should remove the bracket, or the bracket should be stay.
No man, so it'll be log to the base 121 of 1331 is equals to 3/2. So if you remove the bracket from there. You follow what I'm saying?
No, go again.
Log to the base 121 of 1331 equals 3/2.
Yeah, I understand, but I say I should remove the bracket, or the bracket is supposed to be in the bracket, the log it.
All right. Did I read it like this? Log to the base, open bracket 121, close bracket?
Yes, yeah. No, you never.
Right. That means you have to put the bracket there.
So one is index form and one is logarithmic.
Logarithmic form.
So you remove
right.
the brackets when you're writing in logarithmic form.
Okay, all right.
Yeah.
Good job. Good job. Good job. All right. Ramsey, how are we tonight?
Sir, I'm okay. I sent you a picture of all my answers, but I can answer for you if you want.
Oh, you're the one who sent it. Good.
Yeah.
I saw that. I saw it. Numero 5. What would you say for number 5?
Log to the base 1, A equals 0.
Say it again.
Log to the base.
What? Log to the base?
1, A equals 0.
No. Again, go again. Look at it again, Ramsey. You said something that is untrue.
Exactly.
Where is the base in the equation? Which of the what is the base? Look at it and identify what is the base.
1.
No, remember that we're working with index. The index is where you would have the number or the letter raised by a power. So focus on the index.
And the index does
So
not
the
necessarily
index
have to
would
be a
be
number. It can also
or a
be a
letter.
variable, remember.
Right. So in this case, the index is A raised to the power of 0. What would be the base in that?
Repeat.
The index that we're working with, remember, one is a part of the equation, but we're converting from index form to logarithmic form. So in essence, the index in the equation would be A raised to the power of 0. Now, considering that A raised to the power of 0 is the index, is in index form. What is the base?
1.
No.
No.
The base does not have to be a number. It can also be a variable, that it can be a letter. So in this case, the base would be A, because that is the one that is raised to the power, which is it's raised to the power of 0, right?
Yeah.
They
Right,
remember
so
when
that
we were
is- that is-
learning indices, and you learned that the base
Sorry.
is
I'm
what
just
the base is and
So
the
you
power.
understand now.
So it's log A 1 equals 0.
Right.
Say it over back. You're not wrong, no, she don't write it.
Right, but use the terms.
Okay, so log to the
Correct
base
terms.
A1 equals 0.
Right.
Chill. That's it.
Sir.
Excuse me, what is the answer for number 4 again, please?
No, you shouldn't be asking that. You check who asked that question. Who asked that question a while ago?
Kevin, sir.
Kevin,
Sir.
Kevin, I'll come into you, Papa. Kevin, tell me the answer for number 4, please.
All right, we're going to log to the base of 9. 1 over 27 equal negative 3/2.
Very good, Kevin.
That is it.
That is
Okay.
it.
Okay.
Somebody else was coming
Well
in.
then,
What's
Kevin.
Hold them tight. Hold them tight.
Sir.
Yes, Papa.
So A to 0 na equal 1.
Always. And that may have right,
Yeah.
sir.
We're not converting. We're just
Not
we're
convert.
just we're just right.
Mommy.
We're not solving, we're just converting from one form to the next.
Okay, yeah, man, everything right.
Right.
Everything govern now. So Tevin,
Sorry,
somebody say
guys.
they're not understanding?
Yes, sir. I not understand number 5. Wanna say the answer for that?
Lord, remember, Shannon, remember, don't lose sight of the law of indices. Remember, when you're working with index, you have the base, and then you have the power that the base is raised to. And we're converting from index form to logarithm. So we're focusing on anything raised to a power.
Mm-hmm.
So in that sense, what is raised to a power, Yaso?
A.
All right, so A would be the
base.
The base.
About the base, about the base, about the base.
It's all about the base.
Yeah.
The base
So
is
just look for
the
the base and you should be fine. All right. Okay, thank you guys. I love the spirit. And one of the things I am sensing though that there is Sherry's very all right, mommy.
Yes, sir.
All right, cool. Don't worry about it, man. You did well, and I'm proud of you.
Thank
All right.
you, sir.
Yeah, man. All right. So I have another set now. So now I'm going to give you the index form and ask you to convert to the logarithmic form from.
So
sorry,
I
give you the logarithmic form, and I want you to convert to the index form. All right. Dalia, number 1 is yours.
Okay, sir. So we're gonna wait till everybody done or just jump at it though.
Jump at it.
All right, so we're gonna bat it up. So remember, we're converting to index. So the base would be 5. So we're gonna have 5. Get a pencil. You're gonna have 5 raised to the power of 4 equals 625. Talk to me now.
Talk to your nice.
That is it.
That is it. Shall I call upon Lisa Simpson? Lisa, number 2 is yours. When I call
Sir,
you?
give me a second. I'm coming, sir.
And the rest of you should be working number 2 to tell Lisa if she's right or wrong. Lisa, we have 5 minutes left.
Sir, I just reach on me. I try to wrap my head around it.
It's all of you just reaching them and I don't know, say, matter of fact, I don't even 38 of you. Class.
No, sir, I just reach on through, sir.
But I'm not saying that in on the street through, but I'm just saying nobody has sent a message to sister. I'm gonna be late, so I'm thinking that everybody is
No,
here.
sir, I was still in the class, but I was at work.
Oh, okay, got you.
But try to log on, but I'm still there, but I still can't talk because I deal with customer, but I try to at least log on.
All right, so give me a try. Run it and give me a try, please, until we get.
So I realize whatever the base to the log is always the base. So I was trying, somebody say -2 raised to a half equals 4. So I'm gonna try.
You try. What? Where is it? Where is a half? What position is a half in?
Says log. It come after log.
Yeah, but what position is that? The base. Hello? Lisa, it's the base now?
Go again?
It's the base.
Base.
Right. And if only you practice, all of you practice to say the thing correctly, you will know and get what the answer is. Log to the base a half of 4 equals -2. So therefore, if I'm converting that from the logarithmic form to the index form, what do I write?
So, sir, would it
would be the base, sir?
Yeah, duh. I have to what? No, mommy, come talk to teacher. I have to.
Half to the 4th.
No, listen to me. I have to what? When if you say 4, I say listen to me. It has to be the other number because it's only the one
Oh,
number there.
-2.
Yeah.
-2.
Equal.
So that'll be half raised to the -2 equals 4.
Yes, man. Write that down on your forehead so you can't forget
Yeah,
that.
man,
Roderick, number 3 is yours. Roderick, come, Roderick.
Hold on, sir. See me here. X raised to the Z power equal Y.
Very nice. Keep it up. Very nice. Romain, number 4 is yours.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
There's 1,000 raised to 3.
Excuse me, say that again.
1,000 raised to 3.
Is he correct?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes.
No.
What is it supposed to be?
The LG, sir, of this R1.
10 raised to the 3rd power equals 1,000.
LG. Oh, it's 1G.
No, it's LG. Ah,
LG.
that's
No,
why
1G.
No.
LG is the same thing as LOG. This is shortening for log, and that's why I tricked you a while ago.
So you trick me good, because I know
Good,
so this
good,
that
good.
convert the index to be 10 times what
So you never-
100 to the 3rd.
But you hear what OJ says? OJ says
Wait,
it has to be 10 to the 3rd power.
So 10 to the
Equals
3rd power
1,000.
equal 1,000.
10 times 10 is 100, times 10 is 1,000. So let me ask you a question. When you're not seeing a base, what base do we assume? 10. Very good. All of your cheap calculators can only work out base 10. My calculator, on the other hand, can work out any base.
Which calculator?
Does anyone in the class have a calculator called Kenko?
Can see what we have, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir,
Yes,
I have to teach me how to use the log function.
Yes, sir.
absolutely. And that's why I asked the question. I asked the question because I'm apparently downtown in the wholesale, and in the wholesale upper Alpha Tree, them have calculator go for $500, and them call them Kenko. Only don't buy them here.
Oh.
Don't come to my class with no Kenko calculator, please.
Mr. Shan,
Yes, my dear.
I am not understanding number 4 and number 5. So
when you're not seeing a base, what do you assume, Tiana?
you said we assume base 10?
Right. So let us rewrite this. And when you say LG is the same thing as?
Log.
Good. So we're gonna rewrite it now. So log, you're not seeing a base, you're gonna assume base 10, and then we're gonna put back the 1,000, and then we're gonna put equals 3. Tiana, convert that now for me from the logarithmic form to the index form. Hello?
Sir, what's the question? Convert it to...
Yeah, man. So remember I
Oh.
said to you that LG is the same thing as LOG, and I also said to you that when you're not seeing a base, you assume base 10. So what I did was to rewrite the question. Now I'm asking you to convert log to the base 10 of 1,000 equals 3 for me.
Oh, sure. So it is 10 to the third power equal 1,000.
So I say now understand.
Oh, the answer is there. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, man, it's same one, man. All right. Who wants to take the last one?
So we can try.
Go ahead.
I have 10 raised to 0 equal 1.
Big up yourself, Ellie. Big up yourself.
Well, them fellas.
All them fellas. All right, guys. We'll come to the end of the class. Did you learn anything? How was class?
Sir, me not tell the lie.
Sir, I think we need a little more question for indication.
Yes, sir. That's what. A couple more questions.
No
I
problem.
feel like if them figure with this one, the exam it a pass.
Do me a favor. I'm gonna ask you all to go to the ecc.edu.jm site, click on library on the top.
Sir, my data ain't work for me.
Yeah, man, you know the good man. You can get the past papers. There's other students who got the past papers. I want you all to go on.
I get past paper from Monique.
From Monique, no problem. If it's Monique, it's the same CJ. But no, man, look on it because that's where I get my past papers. And in my calculus class on Tuesday, the students were able to go on and get some past papers. So try it for me, please. It's ecc.edu.jm. Click on the library icon, and it will take you to the library. The course code is MATH1201. Somebody I'm seeing in the chat that Glenn is being asked. Well, Glenn is asking to be added to the group. Your course outline was previously circulated in the chat. Please, guys, can just recirculate that outline for me, either in your WhatsApp or the chat, so that you can see what is happening. But yes, you'll get more past paper questions. But what I want you to do is start working with the past papers, because really and truly, the logarithms, I'm wrapping up. So by next Tuesday, God's willing, I will be able to finish up that so I can start something else. You guys did well tonight. I really hope that you learned something, and I will get some work to you over the weekend. Please make sure that you get something done up. All right?
Okay, sir. Glenn Roy, click the link, please. The link to the WhatsApp group is in the chat.
Yeah, Glenn. Go ahead, please. Somebody say.
When will we introduce to EducaSoft?
Just working on some stuff. By next week, you should have it, Mom.
All right, cool. Also, can you please respond to my email?
I will. It's the same thing with the prerequisite, right?
No, it's not.
Okay, then. Sure. I'll do it right now. So look out for it in 2 minutes.
Thank
you. Sir, I'm going to get my prerequisite.
Send my email to sir.
Roderick, leave me alone, Roderick.
Sure.
Sure.
Sir,
Yes, please.
We have a finished register, sir.
Leave me alone. In Jesus' name, leave me alone. Yes, Lisa, you say something?
Mr. Stan, yes, sir. Yes, sir. To my override, sir. Because really and truly, the money in my account, I make me afraid. So me spend it, you know.
Come on, from the phone. Later. All right. All right. Let me do that.
Okay, sir.
Do me a favor. All right. For those of you who are requesting the override for here, drop something in the WhatsApp group, and I'll wait until all of you drop it in the WhatsApp group about half an hour from now, and Dahlia is going to send me that list. Please, Dahlia, just send me the list. So what I want is just to name my ID number, because I know all of this is pre-calculus. So Dahlia, just drop in the group your name and ID number if it is that you're requesting an override for pre-calculus. And Dahlia is going to just copy all of those and send to me, and then I'll just work on it tonight for you. How that sound?
Okay, no problem, sir. It's not good.
Big up yourself later.
So you wanted to speak to OJ?
Yeah. You have my email, right, OJ?
Yes, I do.
Yeah, man, please, because I'm getting the information in pieces and I want to get it fully from you. So just send me an email outlining everything and I'll respond to you now.
Sir.
Regarding?
Okay. Send me an email, OJ, please. Send me an email and then I talk to you. Yeah. Alicia, go ahead, please.
Yes, sir. We should send the ID for the override to Dahlia in the WhatsApp group, right?
Yes, please.
All right.
Thank you. All right. Have a good one. Later.
Sir, hold on. You got already?